Okay, don't mind me the weather is hot, that's why I'm sweating. Okay, so today I'll be unboxing this, though I have unboxed it before. So you can call it unboxing and review at the same time because I want to show you how this is, what are the features, and what you can use it for. Okay, this is portable SSD. I bought it from Jumia, which is an online marketplace in Nigeria, mainly in Nigeria actually, though they still have branches in other countries. Okay, I bought it for 42,000 naira. That's about $42. All right. So if you open it, there are two major components you will see inside, which is one, this thick cable, which you should use to connect the SSD drive, hard drive, to your laptop or your computer. Number two is the major SSD, external SSD, okay, storage. So it's nice, it's portable. When I saw it online, it seems bigger, but when they shipped it to my location and I picked it up, I was like, is this what they were talking about? So I have used this before and it's nice. So number one, one thing you notice first is the plastic body. Okay, it's made of plastic. All right, strong one. So, and at the body, you see the name portable SSD mobile storage. All right, it is 2 terabytes. So, as I said before, I've used it before, so it's okay. It's nice when you plug it to your computer and get to your file explorer. Then this PC, you will see that the storage capacity you can use, the available space you can use is about 1.90 terabytes. Okay. The remaining space, I don't know what they're using it for, but this is the amount that can contain your data. As a content creator, you need backup, yes. So most times after having your video in your laptop, you still need to back it up somewhere. So in case something happens to your laptop, what will you do? So you know that you have a backup here. Okay, it's fast to use. Even if you have data that is about let's say 1 gigabyte, it can be transferred from your laptop to this just within a period of 2 minutes, okay, or three. All I'm saying is that it's faster. Let's now compare SSD to HDD. The thing is that this is faster in terms of transfer because generally SSD, external SSD is faster than HDD. HDD is slow. So if you are going for a storage, external storage, I recommend you go for SSD. So solid state drive, which is SSD, is the main thing at this point in time. Even if you don't have the money, please save up before you get it. Avoid hard disk drive, external HDD. Go for this, okay? So if you want to use this, first is this port, this terminal, plug it here. Then this end, plug it to the USB port of your laptop or your computer. Then from your computer, access it and then do the file transfer you want to do. Okay. And another thing is once the connection is established, if you look at this port, you will see a blue light showing. Okay. So a blue light will be showing which indicates that the connection has been established. So let's look at other features. Okay, at the back here it says portable product interface USB 3.0 micro B slash USB 3.0 type C. That is the type C cable. That's what it's telling us here. Compatible devices, computers, which includes desktops and laptops. TV, which includes smart TV with USB interface. Okay, so it's telling us the devices that are compatible with this storage. All right. Then another thing is mobile phone. It works on Android system slash OTG function slash output 1.2 amp or more cable purchased. All right. Then system support, it supports Windows 11, Windows 10, iOS. Actually, when this was manufactured, the latest operating system then was Windows 10. But currently we have Windows 11. So I'm using it on my PC that runs Windows 11. So if you have Windows 11 OS laptop a computer, it still works fine. All right. Support hard disk M.2 slash NGFF. All right. 2230 slash 2242 slash 2260 slash 2280. These are codes. But what is important is this: it works in different devices: Windows 11, Windows 10, which other window did you say here? And Windows 7. All right, so these are the Windows it functions with. Okay, so use it on Android, use it on iPhone. Now let's now compare this SSD with cloud storage. Yes, the truth is this is a physical product. Even your system, the storage there is a physical product. Okay, it can be touched, it can be tampered with, it can damage. So if you have some very important data that you need to back up extra mile, I recommend you also back up on cloud. You can use OneDrive or Google Drive, but I recommend OneDrive because I'm very conversant with it. Okay, if you have Microsoft 365 subscription, you it gives you 1 terabyte free space. So you can back up your files, some important, very important files. Maybe your videos if you're a content creator, some few of them that are very, very important to you, or maybe your documents, or maybe some photos that are very important. You can back them up on OneDrive. So go for OneDrive for some very important documents or data, all right? But the truth of the matter is that comparing this in terms of price and time, OneDrive will consume you more time because you upload that file over the internet, okay? It will consume you mobile data. It will consume your mobile data, all right? So, but what is important there is that any file you store there forever and ever remains there because when you upload file on OneDrive, you are backing it up on Microsoft server. Okay, it's not a physical stuff like this. So my take is this: get OneDrive for extra backup of your important data, very important data. Okay, then other files you can use this because nobody knows if this will get damaged tomorrow. So that is my take on this review, and I believe this video helps somebody. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, hit the like button for this video to go viral and leave a comment. You can even share it with your friends so that they will know something about this external SSD drive, okay, for their files backup. If you want to support this channel, there's room for that. There's buy me a coffee link in the description below. Just click on that and buy me a coffee if you wish to buy for me, all right? You can also watch this video to learn more on technology. See you next time.